Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the differences between cartilaginous fish and bony fish. We can compare the two categories. First, start with the biological classification. The cartilaginous fishes fall under the chondrichthyes. That is because the second point is that their endoskeleton is primarily composed of cartilage, so they are known as chondrichthyes or cartilaginous fishes. The first and second point covers the name of the cartilaginous fishes, that is their endoskeleton is composed of cartilage, so they are known as cartilaginous fish or chondrichthyes. Whereas in bony fishes, all bony fish fall under the superclass Osteichthyes. That means their endoskeleton is primarily composed of bones. So they are known as bony fishes and they are called Osteichthyes. So these are the two types of fishes. Then the third point is operculum. Operculum is present in cartilaginous fishes, which covers the gill openings, whereas the operculum is absent in bony fishes. Next point is the fourth point is tail. The tail in cartilaginous fishes is heterocircle in nature, whereas the tail of bony fishes is homocircle in nature. We can say commonly that heterocircle means the lobes of the caudal fin are not equal, whereas in homocircle tail both the lobes of the caudal fins are equal, so they are homocircle. Next, fifth point is ecosystem. In cartilaginous fishes, members are primarily inhabit marine ecosystem. However, some exceptions may be there or are present here. So they are mainly marine. Whereas bony fishes, the members inhabit both marine and freshwater ecosystems. So they are distributed to both marine and freshwater ecosystem, the bony fishes. Whereas the cartilaginous fishes, they inhabit primarily the marine ecosystem. Then the sixth point is the mode of fertilization. It is internal in cartilaginous fishes. There may be some exceptions, and it is external in bony fishes. The seventh point is the presence or absence of swim bladder. So the swim bladder is absent in cartilaginous fishes. So buoyancy is maintained with oil stored in livers, whereas swim bladder is present in bony fishes, except for some bony fishes that dwell in deep. The most common example of cartilaginous fishes is shark, whereas in bony fishes the examples are sunfish, tuna, herrings, trout, etc. So mainly the base of the classification of chondrichthyes and osteichthyes is the presence of the endoskeleton, but in cartilaginous or chondrichthyes fishes it is made of cartilage, whereas in bony fishes or osteichthyes it is made up of bones. So these are the two classes of superclass species, and the extinct species are included in the third class, Placodermi. So these are all about the differences between cartilaginous and bony fishes. Thank you.